Can you believe I made this 3D Pixar-style character in just minutes with ChatGPT? Let me show you how. First, I uploaded a simple night drawing and turned it into a 3D Pixar-style character. The result looks amazing. Next, I created a 3-view drawing, but some small details like the clothes changed a little. So I updated the original images again and regenerated it. And this time, the character stayed consistent. After that, I uploaded a facial expression reference and asked it to create a set of 3D animation style expressions based on it. The result comes out really nice. Then I switch the style to hand-drawn. Next, I try placing the character into this background. The result looks great. It keeps the original background style and the character's details. Then I ask it to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. I also try to change the outfit and the scene, like having the character happily playing on a swing at an amusement park, and switching the original outfit to a simple white t-shirt. Finally, I turned the character into a tall figure. This whole process was super fun. You can also turn a photo of yourself or your family into a 3D animation style character and transform it into your very own tall figure. For every prompt I entered, I made sure to keep the character details consistent. What would you use it for? Or maybe you have even better ideas? Leave a comment below. In the next video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to design app and website interface. Subscribe my channel. See you next time.